In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Slack account. We'll walk through the entire sign-in process using a verification code sent to your email, so you can access your workspace quickly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Slack website with the address that ends in slack.com. Click that result to go straight to Slack's site. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account safe. On Slack's website, you'll see an option to sign in with your email. Click into the email field and enter the email address you use for Slack, typically your work or school email. Make sure you can access this inbox right now, because Slack is going to send you a one-time sign-in code. Take a moment to verify there are no typos in your email address. An extra character or missing letter will prevent the code from arriving. After your email is in place, click Continue. Slack now sends the verification code to your inbox. Open your email in a new tab or window. If you're using Gmail, go ahead and open it, then wait a moment for the message to arrive. The email will be from Slack and contains a short numeric code. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox and check your spam, junk, or promotions folder, just in case it was filtered. When the message appears, open it and copy the code. These codes are time-sensitive and should be kept private, so use it promptly and don't share it. Return to the Slack page where it's asking for your code. Click in the code field and paste or carefully type the digits from the email. If you make a mistake, simply clear the field and re-enter the code to match exactly. Once the complete code is entered, Slack will verify it and sign you in. If the code has expired or doesn't work, Slack will let you know. In that case, check that you copied the most recent code and that it matches your email, then try again. That's all you need to log in. To recap, go to Google, search for Slack, open the official site, enter your email, click Continue, grab the code from your email, and enter it back on Slack. Keeping the Slack tab open while you fetch the code makes the process smoother, and always confirm you're on slack.com for security. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time collaborating in Slack.